Hi, welcome back to another video in this series. Thank you if you're back again from our last video where we went over mapping networks. It's fairly quick. This one also is going to be fairly quick, at least in comparison to a lot of my videos. But what we're going to do is take a look at installing and configuring the ManageEngine OpManager, right? So what that is, it's a network monitoring tool, and it facilitates network server network configuration, IP address, and other types of management, right? And it also helps in network traffic analysis, which is a little bit of what we did in the last video as far as network mapping, right? Somewhat, right? Because we had to have a network running in order for us to map anything. So I'm actually going to install the OP manager, but like I'm on the incorrect servers. Let's get that fixed. Okay. So, all right, perfect. So we're locked and loaded. So now what we're going to do is configure the OP manager, right? So let's see, let's take a look at, where is it? Should be here. There it is. There it is. All right, perfect. And we need new discovery, of course. And let's start IP. Perfect. But then we want to add credentials, of course. We got them. We got them. Right. Not going to get too creative. Password. Perfect. All right, perfect. So I believe we're set up to discover. Let's see. Yeah, we're good to go. All right, perfect. Actually, you know what? No. There we go. Now we're good to go. Discover. Oh, could have sworn I named it. Oh, what the hell? No, if it wants to work. Yeah. Um, let's see. All right, perfect. So the discovery is officially in progress. So it should take maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. And when it's completed, we should see a number of devices. Really, all of the devices are on this network that you see here on the side. And the existing should be the one that we're on, yeah. All right. See. Perfect. So technically, I'm looking for 4 devices to be discovered. Actually, make sure everything is up and running for these devices to be discovered. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'd be safe to assume that'll be good to go. Cali is always good to go. All right, and that one as well. Let's see, actually sometimes it helps if I refresh. Guess not. And the All right, so the scan has been concluded, as we can see, and we have 4 devices that I was looking for. All right, so we can actually, let's see here. All right, perfect. I'm just approving them. Sorry to go quiet for a second. All right, perfect. So let's actually take a look at the overview here. It works. Come on. There we go. All right, so this is going to show also the systems that were scanned as well. You can pretty much see what's going on in those devices. And obviously, it would be a bit more in a real world scenario, would be a bit more gone, or at least I would hope so. If you're part of an large enterprise or even a medium to low size enterprise. Nonetheless, this brings us to the end of the video for installing and configuring the ManageEngine OpManager. And what we did is just installed and configured the ManageEngine right, for the OP manager. It's pretty straightforward, nothing crazy, right? But this was fun. And on the next video, we're going to be implementing DNSSEC, which should be even more fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you stay to the end of the video, stay curious, stay secure. I'll see you on the next one.